Yo, what's up? Yo, I'm fucking late to my own event. God damn it. God dang it. I gotta bleep it out. YouTube. Hey, YouTube. But yo, cause I woke up at 9 o'clock. And I was like, hold on, let me get like 30 more minutes. And then next thing I know, it's like 11. Only reason I woke up because of my mom. But I don't think nobody's gonna be there. Cause nobody really messes with me. Nobody really rocks with me in the DMV car scene anyway. But I mean, you never know. I know the homie, might come. Cambo. I'm about to see if DMV meets. I tagged them in it, but I'm not sure if she's gonna post it or not. I'm gonna see if I can DM her right quick. It's not funny, but it's funny.
I know.
Hey, Rob. Yeah, I saw like a bunch of cars, but I don't know. Hold up. I'm about to do a little story right quick. Hold up. Look at this motherfucker vlogging this shit. Look at him vlogging. Look. Yeah, it's like boring now. Hopefully more people show up, because it said like 30 people coming. But yo, my freaking stalker's coming, bro. I'm fucking like blown right now. I hope they don't come, bro. Like, it's so annoying. Oh, I didn't block it out. But yeah. Look what he did.
Giving you an update about the car data.
Hold up. Oh, I know who this is. This is like, you know who Diamond Crew is? Yeah. That's them. They transferred. It used to be like Diamond Crew, but then like some of the people like transferred over to like Street Kings. Mm-hmm. So yeah. Oh shit. Alright, so like I said, I think this is the crew it used to be. I think it used to be Diamond Crew. But like Vic said, he's like 30 minutes out. Campbell's like 45 minutes away. I'm not sure if Melo's coming. With Ohio Kings. Philip, I think he's like, he's working. So yeah. So I'm not sure how many people are gonna come out there.
VVS is diamonds, got a little bro in the follies. 2-door coupe exotic, came off the stoop, I got it. Straight off the lot, I got it. Whip up the pot, I got it. She give me top, I got it. She want a lot, I got it. One on one, I'm different. More than one, I'm pimping. Keep me some exhibit. Pot the truck, that's engine. Always ball, I'm switching. Up like double digits. Muddy, I came from trenches. Say she in love with benches. I be so stuck in my ways. Really don't tick on the face. I do not fuck with the jakes. My homie don't beat up the case. She want me to give it a taste. She ready to pick up the pace. Exotic like I'm out of space. Big body bitch, you in a rape. VVS, these diamonds. Got a little bro in the follies. 2-door coupe exotic. Came off the stoop, I got it. Straight off the lot, I got it. Whip up the pot, I got it. Yeah. She give me top, I got it. She want a lot, I got it. Yeah. VVS, these diamonds. Got a little bro in the follies. 2-door coupe exotic. Came off the stoop, I got it. Straight off the lot, I got it. Whip up the pot, I got it. She give me top, I got it. She want a lot, I got it. Shorty is not like an edible. I get to the green like a vegetable. This life that I live is impeccable. She all on my line talking sexual. I just won't pop me an Adderall. The coupe disappear like a Deborah. They told me to play like a lateral. Her titties is perfect and natural. Keep on my honeys and duffel. I buy him and wear him and scuff him. I do this for real, it ain't nothing. I pop off the ceiling, ain't nothing. Keep it a stack, it's 100. She know that I'm married to money. My pockets is fat, they ain't chubby. I had to get gritty, get ugly. VVS, these diamonds. Got a little bro in the follies. 2-door coupe exotic. Came off the stoop, I got it. Straight off the lot, I got it. Whip up the pot, I got it. Yeah, she give me top, I got it.
Ooh, yeah, I want those lights right there. Yeah.
It's just bulb, that's all it is.
It is?
Brake light. That's all it is.
Right when they pull out, he shows up. Hey, that was funny Right when you pull up, they leave.
I know, I saw them leaving.
Yeah, they were cool as shit.
Yeah.
Damn, this damn thing looks
Y'all
nice.
leaving or y'all staying?
I'm staying, we're waiting for Cambo.
Yeah. We parked this joint somehow, some way. What's up, T?
What's up, man? Look at you. Hey! Damn, that shit look nice. Yo, he did so much work to that shit. Oh!
Melo's gonna get here.
I text Melo, I don't know if she's coming. When I text her, I message her.
Yeah. I sent a message to Melo and IC UAC.
Yeah. Yo.
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
No, not
This
that one.
shit looks nice. Like, it looks black, but it looks like golden. Oh my god.
I got it for $800.
Hold up. Had to get some photos.
I love the
1965 Chevy Avalanche. It was 2-door car.
Oh, so they changed it.
Yes.
I didn't know that. Damn.
And I've been hearing a lot of talk, people saying, it's like, I hope they go ahead and make a new El Camino or a Chevelle. I'm like, yeah. We gotta go.
It's an SRT.
Woo!
It's an SRT. But downshift?
Hey, look!
Damn.
Look at him doing his fizzang.
Oh.
I want to learn how this guy gets some exhaust clips.
Oh yeah, for sure. I don't know if it'll pop if I'm in neutral. Let me see.
It might.
I gotta be. I'll roll through.
Ooh!
That was a little bit. I'll roll through and try to get some through it.
That damn thing sounds good.
Oh, there it goes.
Ooh! Good lord! I love you. Where's he going? Chasing down. Oh my god! Woo! Yeah, Lord, man. That thing sounds so good, bro. Good. Yeah.
Can't wait.
Ah.
Are you recording?
Even he comes.
All right. Cambo, bruh. I ain't get to see you this time, but next time, bro, if you say 30 minutes, at least make it 40 minutes, bro. Don't make it an hour and a half. But I'm gonna catch you next time, bro. I'm gonna catch you next time.
Oh man. Subscribe down below. You already know.
All right. Thanks for inviting me, y'all.
See you, man. Thank you, bro. That's a dream. I'm just here. Don't mind me. Good damn. Hold up. I gotta. Hopefully a car don't come. God damn. That shit sounds so good. I love that dude. Round two. What? I fucking love him.
Oh man, I should have gone here, grab my phone out real quick. Damn it.
Oh, what? You didn't? Oh, you
Yeah,
didn't?
the first time it's going down this way.
Copycat.
Come on now.
It's like, no. Just doing car things. I was trying to get it to pop. He tried to copy. I was like, nah. Hey yo, shout out to Vix Rex. My hair looks a mess, but shout out to Vix Rex. Shout out to Street Kings crew. We still waiting on Cambo. This fool said 45 minutes, what, 2 hours ago? We still waiting on you, bro. But yeah, we gonna wait and then I'm gonna get something to eat. I don't know if he's coming.
I'm definitely coming.
I'm going to Annapolis though.
I don't know, I don't care.
Alright, cool. Oh, wait. So hold up. I got yo, Vince Rex, man. It's like every time I see him, the more I fall in love with this fucking dude. Oh, God, can't curse. ADD. But yo, and no, hold up. What was it? What was that Charger? What was it?
That was a Hellcat.
It was a Hellcat.
Hellcat SRT 8.
He kept coming past here. He came up and down here like 4 or 5 times. Then he comes past it, and then he comes back, and then he comes back here. I don't know if I got footage. I think I did. But then he went a while out because the cop came. He's probably doing bad shit. But I gotta bleep it out. But Cambo, we waiting on you. Ooh. But yeah, and then some creeper truck was like sitting right there watching the car people. But alright, I'm gonna put my ugly face off of here, cause I know y'all sick of it. But yeah, back to the content when he comes.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.